Welcome students to yet another topic of measures of dispersion. We will see today standard deviation and variance. At the end of this video, you will be able to find standard deviation and variance for raw data. In the previous videos, we had seen the measures of dispersion, range and mean deviation, and today we will see standard deviation. Standard deviation SD is the square root of the mean of the square of the deviation from mean. Square of deviation from mean, it means di square. Di is the deviation from mean, which is given by the formula modulus of xi minus x bar. Standard deviation is denoted by sigma, and it is equal to square root of summation di square upon n, and variance is square of the standard deviation, that is sigma square. Now coefficient of standard deviation is given by the formula sigma upon x bar, and coefficient of variance is sigma upon x bar into 100. So let us see the procedure to find standard deviation for raw data. Suppose this is the observations we are given n observations, x1, x2, x3, xn. Let us prepare a table. First column will contain the observations xi's, x1, x2 till xn. We can take the summation of all these xi's in the end of the column. Now let us form another column of di. Di is given by modulus of xi minus x bar, where x bar is the mean. Then d1, d2, d3, dn are the corresponding di's. Let us form one more column for di square, d1 square, d2 square and so on till dn square. Then take the summation of all the di squares so that we can find standard deviation by the formula square root of summation di square upon n. The first example, compute the standard deviation for the data 15, 22, 27, 11, 9, 21, 14, 9. So these are the n observations given. We'll put them in the first column of xi's 15, 22, 27, 11, 9, 21, 14 and 9. And let us add them up. In the end we will get 128. Let us calculate now mean x bar. It is given by summation xi upon n, that is equal to 128 upon how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 observations. So n is equal to 8. 128 upon 8 is equal to 16. Now we'll form another column di by the formula modulus of xi minus x bar. So we'll get first d1 as modulus of 15 minus 16 is 1, modulus of 22 minus 16 is 6, modulus of 27 minus 16 is 11, modulus of 11 minus 16 is 5, modulus of 9 minus 16 is 7, modulus of 21 minus 16 is 5, modulus of 14 minus 16 is 2, and modulus of 9 minus 16 is 7. Our next column is di square. Square of 1 is 1, square of 6 is 36, square of 11 is 121, square of 5 is 25, square of 7 is 49, square of 5 again 25, square of 2 4, and finally square of 7 is 49. Let us take the addition of all these di squares, which comes out to be 310. Then the standard deviation is square root of summation di square upon n, which is nothing but square root of 310 upon 8, that is equal to square root of 38.75, which comes out to be 6.22. Second example, if mean is 34.5 and standard deviation is 5, find coefficient of variance CV. So we are given mean x bar is equal to 34.5 and standard deviation is sigma is equal to 5. So CV, that is coefficient of variance, is given by the formula sigma upon x bar into 100, which is equal to 5 upon 34.5 into 100, and that is equal to 14.49%. The third example, the table below displays temperatures in Celsius over a few days. Find coefficient of variance. So the temperature is 5, 7.78, 11.11, 13.89, 15, 15.56 and 16.67. So these are the n observations, xi's. We'll write them in the first column of xi. 5, 7.78, 11.11, 13.89, 15, 15.56 and 16.67, which when added gives us summation xi as 85.01. Then let us find x bar, which is equal to summation xi upon n, that is equal to 85.01 upon n, 7. Let us see how many observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. So we get x bar as 12.14. Then we'll form the column for di, which is equal to modulus of xi minus x bar. So modulus of 5 minus 12.14 gives us 7.14. Mod of 7.78 minus 12.14 is 4.36. Modulus of 11.11 minus 12.14 is 1.03. Mod of 13.89 minus 12.14 is 1.75. Mod of 15 minus 12.14 is 2.86. Modulus of 15.56 minus 12.14 is 3.42 and modulus of 16.67 minus 12.14 is 4.53. Next is the column of di square. 7.14 on squaring gives 50.97. Square of 4.36 is 19.01. Square of 1.03 is 1.06. Square of 1.75 is 3.06. Square of 2.86 is 8.18 and square of 3.42 is 11.69 and finally square of 4.53 is 20.52. Let us sum up all these di's, which gives us 114.49. So SD, standard deviation, is equal to square root of summation di square upon n, which is equal to square root of 114.49 upon 7, which is equal to square root of 16.35, and that is 4.04. Now we have to find coefficient of variance, which is equal to sigma upon x bar into 100. So sigma means standard deviation, it is equal to 4.04 upon x bar is 12.14 into 100 gives us 33.28%. I hope students you have understood the procedure to find standard deviation when the raw data is given. Thank you all.